Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Vlogmess. Today I have another advent calendar unboxing for you. We have from Jouer Cosmetics, their first ever advent calendar. This is the 12 days of Jouer. I love the packaging and the iridescent little sleeve here. This retails for $150 and it has a value of $210. So we will go ahead and unbox it and I will show you what is inside. The back of it is plain. It has their website on there. And let's go ahead and slide off the sleeve. This, by the way, was packaged up in plastic already. So you have on the front of the advent calendar their logo. If you're not familiar with Jouer Cosmetics, they are carried at Sephora. My favorite products from them are their complexion products, specifically their highlighters are really nice. So I'm excited that they put out an advent calendar because there are a lot of products from them that I have been wanting to try and hopefully they are all in here. So we shall see. So this opens up like so. And then you have the 12 boxes all arranged in individual little gold foiled boxes. So we have a lovely ribbon here to open it up, starting with day 1. All right, just wanted to get you guys a better angle here. So day 1, oh, okay, this is a little tricky. So we have this box here, and it's individually wrapped in their tissue. Very nice. Okay, very secure. I already like how secure everything is. Okay, so for day 1, we have the Soft Focus Hydrate and Set Powder. Okay, and this is in the shade Tray Translucent, which is great because then it would match everyone's complexion. Beautiful little shell pink compact. And then the translucent powder. The powder itself is, I don't know, it's kind of hard to pick up. It's getting a little washed out, but it's more of a banana yellow than it looks kind of white in my lighting right now, but it's more of a yellow based. Okay. All right, I'm excited to try this out. I don't usually set my face products, but I probably should. I know it lasts longer, or at least my under eyes. I would try this out under my under eyes and, you know, maybe dust it all over my face to set it. So very nice translucent setting powder for day 1. By the way, so this does retail for $150. If you sign up, I believe, for their email newsletter, they do offer a 15% off promo. This video is not sponsored also, by the way. Jouer very kindly reached out and sent this to me to review, but the video is not sponsored. I love their cosmetics and I love advent calendars, so it just seemed like the perfect fit. But that is day 1. I'm gonna go ahead and put these back so that I don't get confused. Day 2 is on the bottom here, another fairly large-ish box. And, oh, okay, I just noticed on the back, it tells you what is inside. So this is the Blush Bouquet in Rose Gold. I remember when these blush duos came out at Sephora, maybe a couple years ago. That's a quick pic of it on the back. There is the front of it. Ooh, I love their packaging, so pretty. So you have a very pretty blush duo. This is a little shimmery, so would make a great blush topper. And then another pretty kind of peachy pink. Let's go ahead and swatch both of these. Oh my gosh, I love this shade. This is so pretty. This might be a little too light for me. The color is getting a little washed out in my lighting. It's a little darker in real life. And this color would be great. I'm pretty tan. I would describe my complexion as a medium skin tone, like medium tan. And these colors look great for brightening my face. And then this shimmery blush would make a great blush topper. So we have the Rose Gold Blush Bouquet for day 2. Okay, day 3 is in the corner here. And I'll just show you what is inside. We have the Essentials Lip Enhancer in Sweet Mint. I love mint flavored, mint scented lip products. I just find it so refreshing. But this is it. I don't know if I've tried this. I've definitely tried their glosses before. This is it. This is the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer in Sweet Mint. And that is the applicator. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so a little kind of pinkish. So you see what it looks like. Clear, but a hint of pink. This smells so good. I'm applying it right now. Okay. Now this doesn't look to be a full size, but it gives you a great idea of the scent if you're interested in trying this out. I don't know if this is offered at Sephora. Everything that I open up, I will link below. If it's not available at Sephora or another retailer, then you can just go directly to their website to purchase. But we have the Jouer Essential Lip Enhancer in Sweet Mint. It smells great. Conditioning lip treatment. Great scent, but no flavor, in case you were wondering. Day 4 is right next to 3. And we have, okay, I'll show you. So we have the Longwear Lip Creme in Dulce de Leche. And let's see. Oh, look how cute. So we have a little lip creme. And I don't know if this is a matte finish. Okay, so yeah, lip cream. Ooh, very nice. If you're fair, this would be a great kind of a My Lips But Better lip color. It's a little lighter than I usually wear as like a nude lip color for me. But if I use a darker lip liner and then kind of blend it in and then wear this in the center, then I could probably wear this as an everyday color. We'll see how this dries down. It's a little thick. So we have the Jouer Lip Creme in Dulce de Leche for day 4. Day 5 is right here. We have this big box. And oh, okay, I'm gonna love this. I love facial sprays. Hydrate and Repair Moisture Mist. Do you guys like that I read this on the back, or do you want to be surprised? Maybe going forward, I'll just show you when I open it. Again, very securely wrapped up in their tissue. And we have, again, the Hydrate and Repair Moisture Mist with blue light protection and pH balance. Okay, and this is the bottle. Very nice packaging and very secure, no leaks, as you can see. I'll show you what the spray looks like. Oh, that is a fine mist. Okay, I'm spraying it all over my face. Smells really good. I don't know if this has any artificial added fragrances, but it just smells very fresh. Just kind of smells like a generic kind of a skincare scent. I love the ingredients that are contained in here. It has aloe vera leaf to soothe, nourish, and provide antioxidant benefits, hyaluronic acid to bind and hold moisture, and vitamin E to calm redness and reduce inflammation. I love when makeup products contain skincare ingredients. It just is like a really nice 2-in-1. So we have the Jouer Moisture Mist for day 5. Day 6 is back here. And, oh, it's a mirror. Okay, let's open this up. Secure and double sealed with bubble tape, triple sealed, okay. And oh, this is so pretty. Very vintage vibes with the floral gold compact mirror with the Jouer logo in the middle. And then you push this to pop the compact open, and it's a double mirror compact with a magnifying mirror on one side and then just plain on the back. Okay. This is a really nice extra, and it's a full-size mirror. Jouer compact for day 6. Day 7 is down here, and I'm not going to tell you what's inside. I'm not even going to look. I just want to be surprised. Day 7, we have... Oh, I think I know what this is because I think I have owned something like this before. Okay, we have a little compact. So for day 7, we have this little compact. This is the powder highlighter in the shade Ice. PH Ice powder highlighter. So I have definitely used their highlighters. I don't know if I've tried this particular shade. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love icy, blinding shades. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. I wish you could see how beautiful and shimmery this is. It looks a little flat. It just looks like a flat white powder in my light, but if you can see the shimmeriness right there, it's just, it turns into like a really pretty gold highlighter. When I turn off my lighting, you can kind of see the shimmeriness, and it's almost like an iridescent gold, white, pinky, but that's what it looks like in the pan, and then that's what it looks like on your skin. This is so pretty. I love their highlighters. So that was their powder highlighter in the shade Ice for day 7. 8 is back here, a little box, and we have Oh, I've been wanting to try this. Okay, this is one of their stick cream blushes. This is called the Cheek and Lip Tint Be Bold. So it's a cheek cream blush, but you can also use it as kind of a lipstick. So another little 2-for-1. Really pretty shade here. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Okay, I like this color. It's like a really pretty berry pink. Okay. Ooh. It looks like it comes out darker. So pretty. I just patted this onto my lips and I still have the lip gloss on. So it's a little shimmery now, but it's so pretty. I love cream blushes because they're just so easy to put on and they look so natural. They give you just like a beautiful natural flush on your cheeks. And I like that this is a 2-in-1. They have a bunch of different shades. So I'm excited to try out the formula and then maybe pick out a few other shades if I like how it works on me. So that is the Cheek and Lip Tint in the shade Be Loud. And that is it. Day number 9 is in here. We have, wow, a lot of packaging to keep this protected. Okay, we have another gold box. This is the Essential Travel Complexion Brush. Okay, I love, okay, it has a picture on the back. I love brushes because you can never have enough brushes in your collection. I don't wash my brushes as much as I should. I really should be washing my brushes more frequently, but it's great to have a backup. But specifically, this is a great little travel brush. So it has a cap here. Wait, where's the cap? Oh, there it is. And then that pushes through. Ooh, very nice. So you have a very fluffy brush, very soft. Very nice travel brush that folds up very nice and compact for day 9. Day 10 is over here. And we have another, okay, a lip oil. I love lip oils. Lip oils and lip balms and tinted lip balms. That's my preferred lip product these days. If I'm going out, I'll go ahead and wear a lipstick, but for just everyday, day-to-day casual wear, I stick with a lip oil or lip gloss. So here we have the Jouer Essential Hydrating Lip Oil. It's a very clear color, maybe a little tint of pink-ish. Okay, I just applied it. It feels very hydrating, not sticky. And this is in the shade Natural Shine, which I'm guessing is just the clear shade. I don't know if they have other flavors of this, but very nice clear lip oil for day 10. Day 11 is in here, and we have another lip product. Is this another lip creme? Oh, okay, this is a lip gloss. Oh, okay, so this should have a shinier finish than the lip creme. That's the lip creme. Okay, you can see that this has dried down to kind of a matte finish. Okay, so let's see the lip gloss next to it. I love that color. Great little lip gloss topper. Okay, so this lip gloss actually looks really good. Even without a lip liner, I'm just looking at myself. I just applied this. But if you want to kind of make this a little more defined, use a darker lip liner and then just kind of dot this along your lips and have a nice little shine. Okay, so this doesn't have a fragrance, but I love the shine. It doesn't feel too sticky. And we just have a nice little Jouer lip gloss in the shade Rose Claire for day 11. And then for day 12, I don't know if this is a grand finale, kind of a 12th day, but I usually like when they have something big ticket item for the final day. So for day 12, we have the Essential Hydrating Matte Balm. Again, I just said that lip balms are my favorite preferred lip formula, and I haven't tried this product, but it comes in this little tube, and we just have a nice little clear lip balm. This packaging and the formula reminds me of the Boy de Chanel lip balm that came in their like Black Friday, Cyber Monday set. Very nice lip balm, just comes on clear. Obviously, it's a clear lip balm. Very nice lip balm for day 12. All right, guys, that was the 12 days of Jouer Advent Calendar. Again, it has a value of $210, and it retails for $150. But again, I will link it below because if you sign up, you can get 15% off. They also have some other promos, or if they don't have a promo code, they usually have like a gift with purchase. They had a recent gift with purchase with it was like a little pouch that came with your purchase, and the pouch was so cute. It looked like the LV floral, like limited edition collections. But I really enjoyed all the items that are in here. Again, I have already used and I love their highlighter. I was really excited to try their blush bouquet, and this has the shade Rose Gold. This one I'm really excited about. I love a good facial spray, and this has vitamin E and hyaluronic acid and other great skincare benefits. And even though this was maybe a little lip product heavy, they're very wearable and very usable. You have the conditioning lip treatments, the lip oil, lip balm, and oh, also this one was really exciting, the cheek and lip duo stick, and then the very convenient travel brush that is very compact. So great way to try out Jouer if you have not already. Great way to rediscover their products and then try out some of their new stuff. This mirror is also really nice. I love the vintage vibes from this. But I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know what your favorite products from Jouer are, and if you have not tried them out, what you are most looking forward to trying out from them. This is their first advent calendar this year, and I think they did a really good job. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing. Thank you so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.